Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 148,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.